Hi everyone, it's Mario. Happy New Year. Welcome to the first review of 2022, and it happens to be the Pocahontas Riverbend Adventure playset. It was just released on Shopdisney.com about a week or 2 weeks ago, and I just had to get it because I've been waiting for them to do a Pocahontas set for a while. So since they finally did, I got it, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox everything and take a closer look. So let's get started. The set comes in a big square box that displays everything perfectly. You can see pretty much everything you're getting the way that it's displayed, right? It's a pretty box. It just has the background of like trees and stuff like that in a light purple color. And she's sitting on the canoe and all her accessories are up against the wall, basically. It says Riverbend Adventure Playset, Princess Pocahontas. On the side we have a picture of Pocahontas. Just a drawing, really. And then on the back of the box you have it says Disney Princess Pocahontas Riverbend Adventure Playset, and then it has a picture of the doll with the accessories and everything just laid out for you to know what you are getting. And then we have a picture from the movie, and we have little silhouettes of the characters on the bottom. The retail price is not on the box, but it is $34.99. So now I'd like to give you a quick look at the way everything is displayed on the box before we go ahead and take everything out, behind the scenes. And here we have Pocahontas with her friends, her accessories, the canoe, and we're gonna go ahead and take a closer look at everything. First up, we're starting with the doll herself, and I'm gonna compare her to the current classic doll in a little bit, but I just want to show you up close her face, which looks really beautiful. I love the makeup. I love the new skin color that they've chosen for her. It's more accurate. Her lips are like a light pink. Her eyeshadow is golden. It's just very pretty. She also has her necklace, which is pretty much kept on there with the rubber bands. That's why I don't remove them. And she has a new version of her outfit, which is really nice. They kind of have changed the pattern of the glitter. It does shed, by the way, but they've added this colorful leaves from Colors of the Wind, right? Her hair is great quality as always. I feel like it's a little bit shorter, and each doll that you get has a different cut of hair. And this one for me has some long strands on the side there, but as you can see, the length is pretty much up to, below her waist. Unfortunately, she does have the flat feet. I'm just dying for them to change them. Like, they need to go, but it is what it is. And here we have her next to the current classic doll that you can find on Shop Disney as well. And right away you can tell that the outfit is different. Even the neckline has completely changed, right? In terms of color, it's all the light brown instead of the darker. And the pattern of the design here, the golden part has changed. Like I said, they added the little leaves. And here you can see when you turn them around that the current classic doll has longer hair. Just a little bit longer, right? And it's cut more evenly, I guess. But then again, it all depends on the doll that you get, right? Maybe this is just the cut that I got. When it comes to the faces, it's the same face sculpt. I really don't spot any differences, I guess. The new one doesn't have a shiny face, while the other one has a little bit of a shine to it. But other than that, it's pretty much the same. I do think that somehow the makeup on the new one just is more bright and you can see it better than on the classic one. Now we're moving on to the accessories, and first up is her purse or her bag, and it's made of a suede-like fabric. It looks like suede at least, right? And it perfectly matches Pocahontas. I love the design that's on here. It's kind of like a print of the leaves, which matches her dress, and it's really nice. Really nice addition. You can put it over her arm like this. This is just me kind of showing you ways to use it, which I'm sure you know, but just in case. Then you can also put it over her head, so it could be kind of like a crossbody, right? Whichever way, it looks really cool. Really, really nice. She also brings a shawl, which is really well made. Really, really nice fabric on the inside, and then the outside part also has that suede look to it with this print of the autumn leaves or the color of the wind leaves, but they left him one color here instead of all the different ones, which I think is a good choice because it matches her glitter print. You can put it around her arms like this. I'm just giving you some options, okay? Doesn't mean that they're 100% accurate, but this is kind of, the way that I would use it. You can also put it over, over her hair. However you like, there's just many ways to play with it. And it's really nice. I love the fact that they included this and they did a good job with it. I love the color as well. Next up, we have her compass, which is a plastic piece with a sticker on it. My sticker got a little messed up, but no big deal. And I love the fact that they included a handle because trying to put this on her hand with a rubber band would be a pain. So I'm really glad that you could just slip it on whichever hand you like. Can't speak, my goodness. And here we have her hair accessories. It's a bunch of little leaves with the colors of the wind colors, right? We have pink and blue, orange, purple, and they're nice. They're just little clip-ons. I usually don't really like how these look on the dolls. I mess with it and I play with it for you to see right on my video, but I'm not a fan of it. Here we have a sunflower with little hanging ribbons, which again are very pretty, and kids love this. At the end of the day, these places are mainly for kids and we collectors can buy them, of course, but it's aimed at them and they love stuff like this. So as you can see here, I just put it on her. Some of them look good, right? I guess the sunflowers look good. I really like those. Now we have one of Pocahontas's friend, Flit, and they've done him before. I think they had that classic doll with Pocahontas, with, each princess had a friend, and other sets and stuff like that. I can't really pinpoint it, but they've done it before, so it's just a reproduction of that. And he has the little legs, which you can easily snap on her hand, and he stays on there pretty well. Her other friend Mikko is here as well, and Disney Store has definitely done him before. He's made out of a hard-like rubber plastic, and he's painted very well. He's just adorable. They also included a campfire, which is kind of cool, right? Don't necessarily care for it. This is made out of plastic, and it has this switch for you to turn the candle inside. It's not a very noticeable effect. I thought that it would light up. That would have been cool. But yeah, I'm not sure what the purpose of that is when you can barely see it. And then you have the fishes here, which you can turn around. That's cute. That's a practical accessory. Last but not least, we have her canoe with her oar or paddle, whatever you want to call it. I have an issue pronouncing all these words. But it's made out of a soft plastic and it's painted very well with a handle for her hand. The canoe herself is not movie accurate, but it is really pretty and very fitting for Pocahontas. It's painted very well. It has some like rust and stuff like that, right? I love the painted leaves, just to put, some pops of color in there to go along with her outfit and all the other accessories. And it's really simple to just sit her in. You can put her hair, staying out of the boat, or you can put it inside the boat. And I also want to show you just a quick video that I filmed in my sink in the bathroom, just so that you can see that the canoe, because it's plastic, it does float pretty nicely, right? No, nothing exciting. I'm sorry I don't have a river near me that I can take it to, but you get the point. It does float. However, when you put the doll in it, it is too heavy and it turns. I'm holding her by her hair because I don't want her to get wet. But you get the point. If I let her go, it's going down. Alrighty, everybody. So that is all for today. I really love this set. They included really awesome accessories. Everything looks really good. Pocahontas looks beautiful. And for the price, I think it's a great deal. But let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye-bye.